Hey, it's Jen, and I'm going to show you how to attach a file to your lessons. So when you're in a lesson, when you hover over the cards, you'll see these options in yellow down here. And what you want to click on is the attach file little paperclip. And you have several options. So first thing I'm going to show you is how to add a link. So once you click on that, all you have to do is enter in the URL. So I have a YouTube video here. I'm just going to copy the URL, go back to my lesson plans, and paste it. And then I can add in a title. Otherwise, it's just going to show the URL in your lesson plans. So you can title that whatever you like, add the link, and then there it is. So this lesson was about Andrew Clement's author study. So I put in a video about Andrew Clement's. So when I'm teaching this lesson, all I have to do is click on video, and then it goes right to the YouTube video and starts playing. Then once I'm done, I can just go back and I'm right back to my lesson plans. So if you do this, you don't have to have multiple tabs open with that YouTube video because it's already there right in your lesson plan. Other things you can add, I'm gonna go back to attach file. You can add from others here. This has some really cool options. The one that I think is really cool is the Unsplash. So here's where you can search for different photos you want to add. So let's just search for a photo to add to this lesson. I'm going to search book club and then choose a photo, view it, and then upload it to my lesson. And there is that image. So if I want to open up this image while I'm teaching my lesson, I just click on this. Here's my image, show it to my students. And then I can go right back into my lesson plan. So again, you're eliminating having that other tab open with that photo. You can rename this if you click on the little pencil, and then you can name it whatever you want. Back to that. Okay. Okay, back to my attach file. Let's say there's something from Google I want to add. I can click on add from Google. And let's say I have a slideshow. Click this here, select. And then there's a slideshow. Again, when I'm teaching this lesson, if I need to open up these slides, I just click on it. It opens it right up. And then once I'm done with the slides, I can go back to my lesson plan. There are multiple things that you can add. You can mess around with clicking through these. Another thing you can do if, let's say that you want to have this video available on your next lesson, all you have to do is just copy this. Then you can go into your lesson the next day and paste it. And then when you click it, it's going to pop up there just like it did in the previous lesson. All right, so that was really quick about how to use that attach file feature in CC. Try that out. If you have any questions, let us know at support@commoncurriculum.com.